Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you a super simple rabokki recipe using just 1 pack of ramen. If you're craving tteokbokki but don't have rice cakes at home, no worries. This version uses ramen instead and tastes just as satisfying. Let's take a look at the ingredients. You will need 1 pack of your favorite ramen, 1 to 2 pieces of fish cake, a bit of onion and carrot, and 2 green onions. Pour about 2 cups of water into a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, the dried vegetable flakes, powder packet, or use soy sauce instead, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add the chopped onion, carrot, and fish cake too. Bring it all to a boil. Once the ingredients simmer together, the broth becomes rich and flavorful. Once it starts boiling, add the noodles and gently loosen them. Let them cook for about 3 minutes, just enough to keep them nice and chewy. After 3 minutes, you can also add a boiled egg. It's optional. Add the green onions. Let it cook just 30 seconds more. Then turn off the heat. That's it. Your sweet and spicy rabokki is done. It's quick, comforting, and made from just 1 pack of ramen. Even without rice cakes, you won't miss a thing. It's super simple, but so addictive. You will wanna make it again and again. Wow, this is so tasty. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.